Yo, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to my channel. In this tutorial, we'll learn how to download TikTok on our computer, our Mac device or laptop. It's simple. First of all, you have to look for Microsoft Office on your computer. Just hit Microsoft Office here, or if it's pinned, you can get it here. Just hit on it, just open it and hit on it. After you've hit on it, now you can see TikTok is here. It's free, but in case you don't find it, what you have to do is just come to the search bar here and hitting TikTok. So when I started hitting, you can see TikTok is here. Just open it, come here. I have it on my computer already, that's why it's shown open, but if I have not done it, it will show get here. You just hit on it to download. If after the download, just come back here and look for the TikTok. You can see the app on the desktop, but in case you don't find it here, you just have to come to the search bar here and hitting TikTok. So you can see TikTok app is here. Just hit on it to open. Now you can you see TikTok is here. You can log in to your account, your original account that you have using on your phone. So when you want to upload, you just come to the upload button here and hit on the upload. So you can see select video to upload. So you can just hit on the select file here to upload any video that you want. So this is how it to start. So in case I want to, let's say I want to upload a video, I just hit on it and you see it started downloading, uploading here. It's very simple. So it is how we download TikTok on our computer. You can subscribe to the channel for more videos. Thank you very much.